In today's celebrity news, Antoine Griezmann became the all-time top scorer of Atletico Madrid. He became a record breaker after scoring a goal vs Real Madrid in Supercopa de España, which is taking place in Saudi Arabia. Antoine Griezmann, born on 21st of March in 1991, is a French professional footballer who plays as forward for La Liga club Atletico Madrid and the French national team. Antoine Griezmann was signed by Atletico Madrid in 2014 from Real Sociedad, where he played 5 seasons and appeared in 180 games where he scored 94 goals. And in the season 2019, he moved to Barcelona since 2022, where he played 74 matches and scored 22 goals. After not being well at FC Barcelona, he came back on Atletico Madrid on loan on season 2021 to 2022, where he played 26 games and scored 3 goals. From season 2022 till today, he was signed by Atletico Madrid since he played 57 matches and scored 26 goals. Antoine Griezmann, for France, he has played 127 matches where he scored 44 goals. The Atletico Madrid list of top scorer is as follows. Now Antoine Griezmann is the leading top scorer of Atletico Madrid, have played 368 matches and scored 140 goals. On second is Luis Aragonés, played 324 games and scored 154 games. Fernando Torres is on the third place, have played 396 games, scored 129 goals. On fourth place is Jose Eligio Gerate, have played 285 games and scored 121 goals. Sergio Aguero is in the fifth place, have played 334 games, scored 101 goals. Diego Forlan is in the sixth place, have played 198 games, scored 96 goals. On 7, 8, 9 and 10 place there are Manolo Adelardo, Paco Campos and Joaquim Pereiro. Diego Costa is in the 11th place, have played 216 games, scored 83 goals. Angel Correa is in the 14th place, have played 397 games, scored 74 goals. Radamel Falcao is on the 17th place, have played 91 games, scored 70 goals. Now he is a striker for Rayo Vallecano. Alvaro Morata is on 21 place, have played 133 games, scored 54 goals. Right now he is still at Atletico Madrid, still hope he will score more. Thank you for watching.